Depreciation is the loss in value, and it's done in two separate ways. One is where it goes down by a set of amount each year, and the other one is where I'm using the compound interest formula but with a negative, because it's going down by a percentage. So we call the one where it's going down by a set amount the straight line method, and the one where it's going down like compound interest we call the declining balance method. Now you have to understand the terms and what they mean. S is the salvage value, so we say that that's the amount it's worth after a period of time, or how much I can salvage, value I can salvage from it. VO, O means initial or at the start of time, so that's the value at the start, N you know, and D is the amount it goes down by, so this would be D, the amount it goes down by. The declining balance uses the same things, but because it doesn't have a set amount, it has a rate, they give you R. So S is how much you can salvage from it, or how much it's worth after a period of time, and VO is the initial value. Good. Okay, so question 12. Eva purchased a new car for 2 years ago, the $32,000, depreciated $25,000 each year, find its current value. I don't even use the formula, to be honest. I think we're just better off saying, well, it was $32,000 and it went down $2,500 for 2 years. So now it's worth $27,000. It's the answer to A. So that's using the straight line method. The depreciation method said, what happens if it goes down 15%? Well, I need to use the formula because I can't do a power in my head so nicely. So it's 32,000 and it's 1 minus 15% to the 2. I'm going to put in my calculator. I'm going to go 32,000. Oops. Times, 0.85, because that's 1 minus 15%. I'm left with 85%, and it's to the power of 2. It's $23,120. 13. Angus buys a car that depreciates at a rate of 26 per annum. After 5 years, the car has a salvage value. How much did he pay for the car? Salvage value, we're trying to find the initial value, knowing that it goes down 26%. So it's worth $17,420. I'm trying to find this VO. I'm going to say it's been times by. This is the same as the present value where we divide rather than times. And it's 5 years. So I'm just going to write it for your notes. This is what I'm going to put in my calculator. 1 minus 0.26 to the 5. So I'll do that. And this button here helps. 17,420 over 1 minus 0.26. And I've got 11, so that's no good. It's pretty sensitive today. To the power of 5. Oops. Oh. And it equals, oh no, that's wrong. I've got one too many zeros up there. I'll do it on pause.